Namaste friends, welcome to JavaScript coding interview questions. Today I want to going to discuss about what is the difference between map and forEach function. This is one of the most asking interview question. Let's begin. Map and forEach. First point, the map function create a new array. Here I am explaining each and every point very clearly. Let's go to the VS Code. I am creating one file, that is a map.js. Here I'm taking one simple array arr equals to I 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. After that I'm writing the target array and take the map. Here I'm taking the one callback function, that is already. Yeah, here I'm taking as a argument as a value in the callback function, and also return this value. Yeah, next I want to going to assign this entire code into the one new variable, new array, that is new array. Okay, next I want to going to call in console.log. Let's see what will the output it will become. I'm clearing this thing. After that I'm taking node map.js. Let's see what is the values we are having. Those values are going to print as a new array. Example, I'm multiplying to the 2, each and every value will be going to plus and giving to the result like this. Yeah, this is the first point. The map function creates a new array. When you are going to the for each, the for each function does not create a new array based on the given array. It returns undefined. Let's see, I want to going to create one more file, that is a for each .js. I am creating for it.js. Here I am going to split into two screens like this, and taking to this entire code I'm going to copy here and pasting in for each. Just I wanna going to change, this is a for each. Let's see, I'm going to clear this console, this terminal. After that I wanna going to call this one. Let's see, it is going as a show as a error. Why it is going to want to show as a error? One second, let's see. If I going to call this for this function, it is showing as a undefined. See it here, I'm showing very clearly here. Yeah, this is undefined. Why? Because it is not going to creating as a new array. Next point going to will discuss, the map function is referred to give transformation and copy of the each element. Here map function going to transform the and copy of the each element here. That is the reason it will be going to the given as that array. And coming to the for each is only performed to give operation on each element of the array. Just this is only operatable. This for each is going to operate each and every element. Yeah, I will show how it will be going to operatable here. Just I'm removing that, and also here I'm take console.log and calling that value and removing this console. Let's see what will be the values it will be showing. Just this for each only operatable on each and every element, but in map it is going to transferable and copy the each and every element. That is why it is wanna going to create new array. Yeah, this is the difference about these 2 points. Next, going to the next point, the map function skip uninitialized values, but it keeps them in the written array. Let's see how it will be going to implement. Just I wanna going to comment this, and also I will kept as a uninitialized value there. Next, I'm taking target array dot map. That I'm taking callback function value, and also console.log value. I'm calling like this. If I going to call, see what is the uninitialized value is there, that is skipped here. Remaining thing it wanna going to show. Next, same thing I wanna go in for each also. Just comment out and paste it here. Just placing is a for each. Let's call this. Both are doing same. Just I didn't remove this, I removed the value C. Both are giving same result. But coming to here, let's see This map is keep in the return array, but for each is does not keep them in return array. How it is, I wanna going to show here. Let's I wanna just I'm removing console here. I wanna going to call entire thing in as a one console like this. I wanna take, and I'm taking console dot log. Why unnecessary? I wanna go into one more array. That's why that is the reason I'm taking directly console here. Let's call it here. See, it will be keeping the uninitialized value like this. But when you're coming to for each function, it is not did like that. First of all, it is showing as undefined. Why? Because it is not written any new array. That is the reason. Just it is only operable. That is the reason it is showing as like that. Let's call see undefined. So this is about the third point. Let's go to the fourth point. With the map function, we can change the other array instance method such that return value of the map function invoke the next method in the chain. Means that is I mean I wanna going to chain one more method. Like I'm taking filter here. In this filter, I'm taking callback function as array function. This value who is the greater than 2, those values only I wanna going to print. That is I'm asking here. Let's call it. We can see the result. 3 and 4 greater than the 2. When same thing I wanna going to come in giving the chain and for each method it will show as a type error. Same I'm taking one arrow function and val greater than 2. I'm adding 2 here. Let's call it will showing as a type error. See here type error. So what is the 4 point? See it. The map the for each function does not return anything. Is the method chaining technique cannot be applied here. So this is the difference between map and for each. You can answer like this when interview is asking this question. Let's begin. The map function create a new array. The map function is performed to give transformational copy of each element. The map function skip uninitialized value, but it keeps them in the return array. With the map function, we can change the other array instance methods such that return value of the map function invokes the next method in the chain. Example for carrying an array of the length of the each string in the array. Coming to the forEach, the forEach function does not create a new array based on the given array. It returns undefined. The forEach function is performed to give operation on each element of array. The forEach function skip uninitialized values, but it does not keep them in return array. The forEach function does not return anything, hence the method chaining technique cannot be applied here. For example, saving all elements in the database. You can answer like this.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and please comment down.